Hey everybody, what's up? Chris Young, Gander RV and Outdoors, walking into and pleasantly surprised by the 2020 Keystone Bullet Ultralight 257 RSS. Now, Keystone built the Bullets to be the original luxury lightweight RV, and as soon as you walk in, you know, I'm met by this flagstone decor. You're gonna notice light, airy, beautiful residential features all the way through every Keystone Bullet that you come into. So what do you say we start right here in the kitchen? I got a stainless steel 6 cubic foot Dometic fridge that runs on both gas and electric. And that's a great space. I love the stainless steel on this too. That's a fantastic feature. Seamless molded countertops. And this to me, I know they have to classify all RVs. To me, this is more of a rear entertaining than a rear kitchen. Some people call this a rear kitchen. I don't know why, but to each their own. Take a look at the beautiful stainless steel and the black. We got a flush mounted 3-burner stove with the glass cover and grill style cooktop. Seamless molded edged countertops on this as well. We got the LED lights on the button. Got the Furion 16-inch oven there. And we have a little storage bin right there. But check out, Bob, see if you can get in there. Those hideaway hinges right there. That's not only great construction, that's residential clean lines and feel. And with this flagstone decor, you're gonna see a lot of the lighter accents in here. We got the shaker style cabinets with the brushed nickel fixtures all the way around. Undermounted farmhouse style stainless steel deep well sink with the brushed nickel high-rise faucet. The only thing I would like to have here is a sprayer handle, but as beautiful as this camper is, I am absolutely not gonna argue. We got the backsplash applique there, 2 large campside windows, and tons of storage up top. You're gonna see here that this pantry space in this is great. I'm gonna say, people are gonna complain, but I'm gonna say this is a great grab and go spot. We got a few of them. I love having spots where I can just grab my backpack and go, the kabu, the water bags and whatnot. And I say that because I'll show you more here in a minute. As we continue down the prep space here on the counter, lots of storage spot, but we got the pop-up outlets with USB ports as well. That's a great little coffee corner if you want to put your coffee maker there. Got the shaker style cabinets, full extension on the ball bearing drives, solid wood construction too. And take a look at the frosted glass inlays on these oversized shaker style cabinets, giving you plenty of storage all the way throughout this 257 RSS. Leather sofa that is a jackknife, so you could probably sleep 1, maybe 2 if you want to play big spoon, little spoon. But we got USB chargers and power ports, as well as 2 large windows. And if you really want to count the kitchen window, you're surrounded by 3. So you open that up, this is going to be a good night's sleep. Got the wooden valances, the pleated windows there. Come around to one of my favorite spots, the U-shaped dinette. Now, this camper can sleep 6 people. You could easily fit 6 people here if you wanted to have those campsite meals and just reconnect with everybody, because isn't that what you want to do? When was the last time you had fun and got out and reconnected with the family? How great of a space would this to be? Eat, play the games. I got large windows. I got air coming in. I got light coming in. This reduces down into a bed. I got high headroom, LED light right there. Storage underneath both sides. Great spot for the fishing gear and the camping gear, but luxury, style, and comfort all the way around. I come over to the off-camp side here, and I got my entertainment center right underneath my speaker, which, if I'm not mistaken, this does have dual zone inside and outside. But take a look at the space there for whatever you want to put in there. More storage. It even has its own light in there. Bob, I don't know if you can, there we go. So if you wanted to have a nice little accent when everybody's having dinner, cut the light on and close that. Very nice. TV is on a swivel, so you could easily see it from the kitchen or from the entertainment area. Component shelf. Furion command center right there with AM, FM, USB, and auxiliary plug. If you take a look at the vinyl slip-resistant, easy clean flooring in here, they have the ducts in the floor. And the way Keystone does their ducts, they have this system that reinforces it. So it's like a racetrack. It's all one piece. And with a 30,000 BTU furnace, a 13,500 BTU air conditioner with quick cool, you're gonna have a easier time keeping this bad boy heated and cooled because of the insulation, not only here, but the way they built it. A pantry that also doubles as a wardrobe, because as you can see, we got the adjustable knobs here to move the shelves up and down. Now, yes, pantry storage, but for me, if you want to have the guys hunting trip or the ladies hunting trip, fishing trip, whatever, that's a great spot for your fishing rods, your tackle boxes, your backpacks, the whole nine. Even got more storage down there. Make our way to the bathroom. I see we got my hooks here. We got the Neo angle shower with the glass enclosure. And I got a vent fan that's powered. It's gonna help keep everything up and out. Plus it gives me a little bit more headroom. It's a little tight under, you know, when you're not under the skylight and vent fan, but left to right, I got no problem whatsoever. This is beautiful residential glass with the texture to give you some privacy. Corner notches there as well. I got my vanity with some countertop space, power plug there. Mirrored medicine cabinet with the raised lips to help keep everything in place. Let's see how much room I have here on the bowl. Plenty of leg room. You're not going to be cramped at all inside this 257 RSS. More storage there, as well as access to the pipes. If you notice, Keystone does a great job of getting everything labeled. Red is obviously your hot water line. Blue is your cold water line. But you're going to find that also with the wiring too. They color code and label everything so it's easy to find and fix. Got a solid pocket door, keeping me separated from the bathroom. I'm going to close Bobby off for a minute. And then, oh, hi. Come on in. And some of the cool things that they throw in to really make this a unique camper. Check out the laundry chute. That's accessed to the pass-through storage underneath, which is also finished off. But let's say you come in from hunting, fishing, or you're at the beach, you got your wet stuff, you don't want to keep it inside the camper. Open that up, throw it in, got your laundry basket down there, do your laundry when you get home. Got more storage drawers here, full extension on the ball bearings. Ward storage that's mirrored. I got a residential queen size bed, more storage underneath. Sorry, Bob, let me get out your way, buddy. This is a walk-around queen bed, solid doors. I got a raised lip, LED reading lights, and I don't know if you can see behind the ward storage. Check out, we have a shelf here that also has the drilled hole. So if you wanted to have something going to your USB or your power ports, maybe a CPAP machine, a reading light, or just whatever, you got a nice little cubby storage right back there. And if you wanted to mount a TV, got it right here in the front. Mounting bracket right here. Got your key TV all in one source connection right there, plus power port. Just a great layout for that small family or couple that wants to get out and about and enjoy some creature comforts of home, because this is a luxury, lightweight camper. That's the great thing about the Bullet ultralights. They're ultralight. I'll show you once we get outside. Speaking of, you've seen the inside of this beautiful 257 RSS. What do you say we take a gander on the outside? So here we are on the outside, the 2020 Keystone Bullet 257 RSS, luxury lightweight travel trailer for that small family or couple that wants some creature comforts of home. Going to start right up front. Powered tongue jack with the LED light. This is a must-have for any travel trailer. Got twin 20-pound LP tanks. Got the mini diamond plated rock guard, fiberglass molded end cap with the LED running lights, industry's best 3-year limited structural warranty. You're gonna have good response with anything that is made from Keystone. Fiberglass exterior with beautiful graphics. Take a look at the anti-slam doors here for the storage with the magnetic latches, and look at the pass-through room we got here, Daddy. This is what I'm talking about. If you got large cases, beach chairs, towels, the whole nine, or if you're gonna do that hunting trip or that fishing trip and you got those premier rods, you know, the ones you don't want to hurt, check out the notched wall that we have here, where you can put the hangers in and have your good stuff hanging up and not bouncing around. It's extremely nice touch. Sealed underbelly on this unit. And yes, we have power leveling jacks in the front and the rear. Once we get around to the command center, I'll show you more. Tinted, sealed safety glass all the way around this unit. large awning, which extends almost the entire length. Plus we got the LED light underneath there, solid steps, extended grab handle, which also doubles as a door guard when in transit. We're going to come down here to the 15-inch aluminum wheels. This is a double axle travel trailer. If you take a look underneath, look at that gap right there with the road armor suspension, giving you the extra wide berth and strength, so you're not going to have that sway going down the road. If you did want to set up your connections outside, do some outside entertaining, you absolutely could, because here's your cable and satellite and a power port. Just set a TV up, get that thing rocking and rolling. Now you mentioned, or I mentioned when I was inside, we had the dual zone speakers mounted in the ceiling. Here are the exterior speakers there, and those things kick out some really good sound. And you're going to want to do the outside entertaining because you got the outside kitchen, man. This is where the fun really happens. I love these because let's say you do the fish or you do go hunting, you bring that back, you can kind of mix everything up here, cook it there so you don't have to go inside and deal with it there. I got a little mini fridge, so if I did have some stuff left over, I could easily store it there. Some storage here. And once again, those anti-slam doors with the sealed hinges. That's just an extra step that Keystone does to make sure that these components don't rust and you get those streaks coming down the outside of the camper, which really makes things look ugly. 4x4 sewer hose storage on the back. Spray port here too, which is a fantastic addition to have. When you come in, you can get stuff cleaned out. If you notice, we got those arch ceilings on this camper as well. That's gonna help keep the rain and the snow off of this thing. And those 3-inch nozzles that are hanging off and angled are gonna make sure it doesn't fall on you or the slides. Set up for backup camera as well. Spare tire mounted right there. True fit slide, which really helps maximize the use of those components or minimize the use of those components, because the less components you use, the less stuff that we break. And let's take a look, because right underneath there is our drain port with the gray tank, or the gray tank flush. Right here, we got our 30 amp plug. And underneath here is the other gray and black tank, as well as the fresh flush. External shower with hot and cold. Come right here to the other side of the pass-through storage. We're gonna see the exterior command center. This is where I was talking about where you could control the front and the rear power leveling jacks that extend. There's your Key TV multi-source connection. Fantastic thing to have. Battery disconnect is easily accessible, as well as your black tank flush, city water connection, freshwater connection, and a port in case you want to run a hose right there. You absolutely could. The most important part of any travel trailer is going to be the info panel. Now, the great thing about these ultralights is the weight. For example, gross vehicle weight on this one, 7,300 pounds. Now for a camper that's roughly 30 feet, we're at like 29 feet, 10 inches. That's a great weight, but you saw all the features in there. The insulation that's there is great. The build, it's just a fantastic camper for that couple or small family that's looking to get some of those amenities from home and take them with you on the road. So if this is something you like, if you like that layout, please let me know. If it's something you didn't like, please let me know, because I love hearing from you. I'm Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you enjoyed the 2020 Keystone Bullet 257 RSS as much as I did. I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Please like and subscribe. And as always, come check out a camper, man. They are fun.